What's up, everybody? Crazy Eights here with my very first video for the Fanhome Millennium Falcon build. This is the starter set where you get two pieces. I guess two sets to start with. I'm gonna start with the set one with book one. So in book one, this is what you're getting. Let me back out a little bit. You get the first part of the book is articles about the Millennium Falcon and the build itself, and you got tech specs. Let's see if I could get this on screen better. So Han Solo, some pictures of the Millennium Falcon itself. Stuff that they did. Here's let me bring this back a little bit so we could see the whole thing. Gold leader. Over here we got the YT 1300 light freighter. I'm gonna read all this stuff later about it. It's got a lot of stuff about the Falcon itself. So this is the Falcon. The Falcons, quad laser cannons, picture of Han from Star Wars, man in one of them, Luke on the other one. On this side, Falcon's laser fired in turn, pulsing each barrel interval of 1.32 seconds. And this is really cool. They have a tech spec, or I would say like a shot of the interior of what it looks like inside the gun turret itself. Look over here, they point out some of the stuff that goes on, the turrets themselves, and then this is the interior part of the cockpit of the turret where they sit. That's pretty cool. And then the field of fire, and they have one shadow area, so it could almost go all the way around. They really go in depth about the gun itself. And then this is the parts and the build itself. So with that being said, this is part one. This is what we'll be working on today. So let's get this open. Let's see. Okay. This thing's gonna be huge. They give you like something like this, but actual size, and that sheet of paper is humongous. Alright, so you get this piece right here. This looks like part of the cockpit itself. Got some metal tabs. Got some metal framing. Screws. Let me see if I get these out. Part of the gun itself. This is die cast. Another part of the gun itself. More die cast. And then also, if I could get it out, again, some more of the gun. And then this looks like part of the cockpit, or I guess part of the turret itself. And this looks like it's a sticker that's gonna go on it. So now we got all the pieces out. let's start with the build. All right. Okay, so follow the checklist on page 10. Take the 2 halves of the metal laser cannons and 3 parts of its mount, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, so we're doing the gun itself. So we're doing the quad laser assembly detail. So this is what we're going to be working on right here. So it's saying there's gonna be a lot of me dropping stuff. So it looks like this piece right here, and then this piece as well. The only thing is, like, the guy's fingers in the way. I don't think it matters. Both the same. All right. So taking this and putting that through. And now taking the second piece of this and putting it through as well. Well, putting it through as best as I could. Okay, so we got that going on. Well, when I put the quad on, the part of the cannon, it'll keep it in place. But for right now, I'm just gonna lay it down right there. Carefully holding the parts together, take the lower laser. How do I know which one's the lower laser? Okay, so with the 3 holes. Okay. Let's see where we're going. If they stay on. This is gonna be a tricky part. Okay. Okay, so it looks like this is going, oh, for crying out loud. I'm losing it. No, I'm losing it. So this goes on here. This goes on here. And then this is gonna go Oh, okay, I had it backwards. So this is gonna go like this. Okay. Hold on. All right, I needed some concentration. So this is what I had to do. I had to fit this in between the bolt laser cannons, put the top on to secure it, and then we're screwing them in. Make sure the upper cannon barrels line with the lower ones that are mounted fit snugly together. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna screw these in. All right. Let's see, I need, what kind of screw head do I need for this? Oh, that's a tiny one. All right, so this is gonna be interesting. I got fat fingers, I got small parts. This is going to be fun. Let's see if this one. Let's see if this one will work. Okay. So let me show you what I'm doing. So 3 screws go in. Like that. Get nice and tight. And that's it. Make sure these are nice and tight before okay. So that's it for stage 1 of the build. Just a quad cannon. These things are going to be done in a later build. So it says the complete assembly quad cannon for the present end result should look like this. Start assembly carefully until you're ready to fit it. So this is what I have done, and that's it. That's it for this part of the build. This is kind of loose though. Oh, you know, wonder why? Yeah, I see what happened. I gotta tighten this some more. So this has got to go up like this, it looks like. Yeah, because this was too loose. So let me see if I get this more tight. I might have to get another screwdriver. This one looks like it's working. Interesting. Do you see them off? Yeah, they do. They come off. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tighten this up. I feel like this should be a little tighter. All right, so that's it for stage 1. Here's a cannon. When the guns came off, I gotta go find it. Here it is. Bam. All right. So that was it for stage 1. Thank you for watching. I'll be doing stage 2 soon.